Here you can see I've created a custom segment, and I've applied this custom segment to purchase and sales transactions, and I've also applied it to transaction columns. And what we want to do is we're going to pull this bill into CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite. We're actually going to edit it, and we're going to add a value in the construction category at the header level as well as the line level. So let's bring over a template that I've already loaded. NetSuite Web Services doesn't expose the fields during the template building process, so we're just going to go ahead and manually add these two fields. I'm just going to go ahead and insert a column here, and I'm going to call this construction category. So this is going to be at the line level. More about that in a second. And I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to insert another column at the header level. We'll also call this construction category, and we'll call this header just to differentiate it. Now, for the header level field, I'm just going to go ahead and drag over the value in row 1 that was assigned to department over here to cell I1. And now we're just going to change this field name to the field name of the custom category that we had created. So let's go back to that custom category, and it's this ID right here. So we're just going to copy this to the clipboard. And then we're going to replace department with that value. And the &4 just signifies that it is a pick list value. So that way, when I come over here, I'll be able to see the values test 1 and test 2 that I had created in the dropdown. And we're going to do the same thing for the construction category at the account level. So we're just going to go ahead and drag this formula over. And now we're just going to change the name account to custom segment construction category. And here we'll also be able to use those same drop downs now. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and grab the internal ID for that vendor bill. The internal ID is 86020, so I'm just going to pop that in here, and we'll use the refresh action to pull it in for editing. Okay, and now let's go ahead and assign a category at the header level. We'll call this test 1. Then we'll do the same thing at the line level, and we'll give it a value of test 2. And then we'll go ahead and update NetSuite. Once this is successful, the internal ID will return in green, which it has. Let's flip back over to NetSuite and refresh that record. And here you can see test 1 at the header level and test 2 at the line level. So that's all there is to adding custom categories to CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this video has been useful.